Okay, out na sila. Okay. So, center na nabili niya 6 sa center. Okay, out na nga. Okay, center ang sirab. Ang 6 kabuot. 6 kabuot. Okay. Okay, come here, then the center na. Okay, 9 kabuot. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2. Okay, out na silang ukot. Thank you. Okay, out na. Magsinsala na sila. Okay, ready? The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2. Okay, 2. 2. Okay. Out na si baby. Thank you. Ready? The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3. Okay, 3. Okay, thank you. Okay, out na si Kuya. Okay, ayan. Ready? The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 0. Okay, into 0, into 2. Okay, thank you. Okay, kids, do you want to see Jollibee? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so I want you to form one big circle. Ready? One big circle. Then count with me from 10 to 1. Okay, close your eyes, kids. Close your eyes. Okay, I want you to close your eyes, kids. Then cover it with your hands. Dapat i-cover sa inyong hands. Okay, then count with me from 10 to 1. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's welcome your best friend, my best friend, our best friend, Jollibee. Okay, let's say hi to Jollibee. Picture take together with Jollibee. Okay, center na si Jollibee ha. Ayan, okay. Jollibee, welcome sa 6th birthday ni Princess Rosel. She's celebrating now her 6th birthday. Eto si Princess, okay. Jollibee, okay kids. Backward muna tayo kids ha. Okay, tayo muna muna celebrate ni Jollibee. Okay kids, backward muna kids. Backward na lang kids ha, backward na. Okay, Jollibee. Ayan, I heard na meron ka daw gift for Princess. Ayan, okay, Princess, receive your gift from Jollibee. Okay.